Today's video is about Dollhouse battery lights. There are several ways that you can light your Dollhouse using round wire, tape wire. There's some other new ones out there, but battery lights are one of the easiest way, especially on a finished Dollhouse, so you don't have to hide wires. So what they are just a light, no wires, and you just have a battery that's enclosed up here. To get to the battery, you just unscrew the top, and there's the battery. Most lights use a CR1632 battery, which you can find at home improvement stores or online, or I also sell them at miniaturecrush.com. Our battery lights contain a magnet for ceiling and wall lights. You just glue this magnet to the ceiling and it attaches to the battery, and that way you can take it down from the ceiling when you need to change the battery, or even if you just want to change the light out for a different look. There is also an on-off switch on the battery lights right here, and it's just an easy turn it on and turn it off. Battery lights have come a long way in just the last few years in the Dollhouse world. They used to have really large battery housing cases that were big and bulky, and they used to have kind of a bright white light that was the opposite of a lot of what we were looking for with adding lighting to our dollhouses. Like me especially, I wanted a nice warm glow to look like a real light. And almost, not all, but almost all Dollhouse battery lights now do have the softer, a little bit yellow, more natural glow to them. You can get battery lights and ceiling lights. You can get sconces and wall lights. So if you were to have a wall light, you would just glue the little magnet to the wall and stick the battery light there. And there's also table lamps. The table lamps tend to run a little larger in size because of the batteries that they have to hold. But I find that the ceiling lights are great for battery lights, and that way you're not drilling holes and trying to hide your wires. Another thing I should mention about battery lights is they are not meant to be on 24/7. They are meant to be just used while you're doing a display or maybe have on for a few hours. I've done a couple tests with brand new batteries, and depending on how many bulbs you're lighting up, if you were to leave it on 24 hours, it should last 3 to 4 days. But by turning them off when you're done or when you're not around, that will extend the life. But these batteries are pretty small and they can only do so much output.